Hi, and welcome to Yellowfin's Tips and Tricks. In this video, I will be showing you a number of ways to sort values within your report. One way we can do it is selecting this arrow at the top of our column. If we want to sort our invoiced amount, say by the highest number at top, we can do sort descending, and you can see our data was sorted, so the largest invoiced amount appears first. We can also do this by selecting sort in the column row. Another way we can do this is select the report formatting at the top and scroll down to table sort. We already are sorting descending with our invoiced amount, but if we wanted column 2 to be sorted, let's say athlete counter, and we'll keep it at ascending, we have a secondary sort. A final method would be a custom sort using a reference code. So say we wanted our month to appear in an ascending order. If we did that, it would sort alphabetically. That's probably not what we meant by ascending. So we would go into Format, and instead of text, we would navigate to Reference Code. And here, the month reference code has already been created, but if we look at it and press Values, you can see that it's sorted manually in the correct order of the months. Let's close out of that, and now we can see that the months have been sorted.